Okay, so today we're going to take a look at operators. What is an operator? An operator is a key or a keyword or an character that in programming that allows some operation to occur on one or more um, uh, operands. This means something like a plus has two operands. We normally write it one to the left, one to the right, and then what it does is some operation. In this case, then it adds the 4 to the 3, and that is what that operator does. You get other operators as well, something like multiplication. It's also a binary operator, meaning it takes two operands, and in this case it multiplies them. As other operator you don't normally think of is something like the comparison operator, or even the brackets operator, the accessor, or like you use it with an array. That's also an operator, and it accesses the the element at a certain index. You also get unary operators like the not operator, so we can go not b. That takes only one operand, and yeah, and then you get ternary operators like the ternary if. So you have a condition, your the one outcome, one result. So this is a stupid case because it's the same. Oh, inverted actually. But anyway, that you have the ternary operator taking three parameters: one, the condition; second, the first outcome, the outcome on the true; and then third, the outcome on the false. So there's many types of operators and how they work, but basically you have an operator. It does some method or operation on the operands, of which there can be one or many, and then it gives a result, and you can then do something with that result. We also get operator overloading on classes, and we also use the same concept of an operator with operands over there. This is pretty much, as you should know, the way we do it. We say operator, they give the operator, and then it takes some parameters, in this case the other operand. So our class would be the first operand before the operator, in the case of the plus, and then it takes the parameter of the second operand as to be that should be used with this operator, and then you can basically now do whatever you think is applicable in your class for the plus operator, because so it could be something really stupid like doing a plus but not doing negative or something like that, or in the case of if your class has nothing to do with maths, it could be something totally different as you whatever you want. But be careful when using operator overloading in cases like that, as most people will come into a situation reading your code and thinking that a certain operator does something, and if you just go around and change with the meaning of the operators for different classes, it could cause a lot of confusion and make your code much more difficult to understand and read for someone who has not looked at all your code or been part of the development. That's basically all there's to operators. I'm not going to go into every method of operator overloading because they're basically all the same. You just have to tweak them individually as to exactly the signature that's necessary to make them work. But once you've done a few of them, you will just it will be easy to just look up the signatures and implement them correctly. I hope that helps, and please remember to ask questions and vote for them on the Google moderator page. Thanks.